So you created all this content. Wouldn't it be nice to be a part of a content-driven community? Because let's be real, I don't know about you, but I didn't create all this content just to have it like be seen once on my social media platforms, and then I gotta keep talking about it, when there can be a platform where people can find my content when they are searching for it. And you know what? That platform actually already exists. It's Pinterest. So if you don't know, I'm here to tell you that Pinterest is where you need to be marketing your online business, especially if you're looking to drive more people and profit to that business, more traffic, and allow people to find your content via a search engine. See, the thing about Pinterest is that it's where people come to search and discover something. Think about how you use Pinterest yourself. It is a search and discovery tool. It's there for people to find inspiration, to get ideas, and to get solutions to something. People don't go on Pinterest with the intent to socialize. They go with the intent to find a piece of content, some type of product that can help them with whatever they are trying to do on their journey. So whether they are planning something, looking for inspiration, looking to discover something, looking for ideas, trying to find solutions to something, they are there for the content. Get ready to screenshot ways you can use Pinterest for your online business. So if you're not already on Pinterest, what are you waiting for? I'm Presh Rajesh, and I work with online businesses and help them learn how to drive more people and profit to their business by leveraging Pinterest.